styles. So interior styles or themes you call it, it's one of the most important thing for a residence, because residence is the place where you come back to relax, and that's your not a residence, that's your home. So I have three best trending interior styles that I'm gonna share with you. Number one is the minimalist. Second is modern contemporary with a fusion of art and decor. And third, my favorite, is classic modern. So before I initiate talks about these interior styles, I would like to discuss about what is styling and what is interior design. So interior design is all about designing spaces according to the needs and the ergonomics of the humans living in the property. But interior styling is about making them communicate with the interiors they are surrounded with. So every designer has its own style. I have my own style too. And definitely I have to be vibrant in styling different projects, because I am not gonna live in all those projects. My clients are gonna live there, and I have to reflect their personality in their property. So every designer has its own taste, own style, and I call that my base style. So every designer has its own base style. My base style includes art, decor, accessories, nature connect, and making the place more communicative. So these are the ingredients I always use in any of the theme I am designing. So I have to merge my base style with the interior styles my client requires according to his personality and the profiling that I have understood about his personality. So let's start with the first and very interesting style, minimalist. It sounds very minimal, but it's all about the unsets. Everything plays a double role. One is about the utility, second is about the atmosphere it is creating. It is all about less is more. Everything is all about appreciation and quality. The important thing of minimalism is making things organized as well. The finishes in minimalism is mostly matte. It's always matte. The color are very monotone, very light, bright, or maybe if you are using a dark color, so that is only at the accent places, and that also needs to have its own unique. Forward, refined, quality. These are the three core elements I use to define a minimalist concept at its best. So classic modern, it's all about balance. My favorite, and it's about retaining the classicness and inviting the modern. Art is a very important element in classic modern, because everything in classic is timeless and vintage. So everything is all about appreciation. Classic is ultimately a piece of art. Modern adds the balance of now and then. Classic loves patterns, curves, moldings, cornices, textures. It's all about that. Lighting plays a very important role in highlighting the detailing of the classic. The most commonly known classic is European classic. Furnitures and art pieces can play the role of the modern element, and combinedly gives an amazing balance that actually you're looking for. Modern contemporary is a very plush. It's an impression of best of today, and contemporary adds the balance. A complete modern design, artful and tasteful, with the bestest quality finishing, doesn't cost less than a fortune. So contemporary is the way to balance the elegance with the numbers. Modern contemporary is one of those versatile themes where you have numerous options for finishes, for furnitures, for elements, and for decor. Modern contemporary allows you to play with glossy and matte, a combination of glossy and matte. This is the only theme where these two things complement together at the same place. Accessories, decor, souvenirs can play a very interesting and a very important role in this kind of style. You don't have limits. You just have to be tasteful, and you can actually reflect what your client's personality is all about. how open he is to explore, and how open he is to cross the limits in terms of these art and design decors. Nowadays, modern contemporary is very much in because it gives seamless finishes. It gives you open views to connect with nature and indoors. So indoor and outdoor can be correlated in this theme on a very potential basis. I hope these concepts were useful for you and hope to see you using all these concepts in your future projects. Alright, I'll sign up for today and I'll see you in the further vlogs.